Hey everybody, 316 Pyro for Life here. We're going to kind of go through some of my box of stuff while I was putting it away. And the Fire Crackling Max 2. These are very, very nice if you've never shot them before. You got some 38 specials. Pretty loud for what they are. Not the loudest thing out there, but they're pretty loud. We got some fizzy sticks. They're not the real sugar cookies, but they're pretty decent. You'll like them. The MAGA crackers, everybody knows what those are. Very loud. Got a little mixed bag here. A couple little Uzis left and a gangster. Got more gangsters and more Uzis somewhere. Some Happy Powers. These are really nice with a whistle and a bang. The Super Ground Blooms. Those are a lot of fun. Lit Dynamite. Got plenty of those. Those things are really good for just everyday shooting. Got some cool older stuff here. It was gifted to me from a friend. Some UN Successive Happy News. This is a really cool thing I haven't been able to find much about online. 2-inch mule hoof crackers. Sorry the package is wrecked. I had to try them out. They're really loud. Very nice. Got these perfume crackers. If you've never had these before, they are fantastic. They are very, very loud. Go really fast, but they're very loud. Got some bunny ears. Got a brick of Wise Guys. I dug into those a little bit too. What else we got in here? I just picked up these Repro bricks, Muskies. And Fat Rats. M100 atomic bombs. And Phoenix crackers. There's a brick of the Super Ground Blooms. And that's about it for right now. We'll see what else I can find.